Hello, my name is Dean Krieger, Vice President of Domaille Engineering in Rochester, Minnesota. Domaille Engineering is a leader in the design and manufacturing of precision mechanical and electromechanical assemblies. The competencies our team has developed over the years of producing globally competitive optical fiber equipment have enabled us to grow a strong contract manufacturing business as well. I invite you to watch a short video that outlines our engineering and manufacturing services. Thank you.
Selecting a contract manufacturing partner is all about creating synergies. The goal is to strategically combine core competencies to produce an end result greater than the sum of its parts. At Domaille Engineering, our mission is to provide the highest quality solutions through innovative use of mixed technologies, allowing you to gain a competitive edge in the marketplace. Our customer list includes OEM market leaders in aerospace, defense, energy, medical, and telecommunication. Domaille Engineering is a 3-time winner of the Minnesota Technology's Fast 50 Award, recognizing us as one of the fastest growing technology companies in Minnesota. For 3 consecutive years, Domaille Engineering has received the Dream Big Award from the U.S. Chamber of Commerce, recognizing our contributions to restoring jobs, supporting economic growth, and demonstration of exceptional business practices. Engineering is not just part of the name on the building. Our success starts with innovative engineering solutions through the leveraging of mixed technologies. Our engineering staff includes thermal, structural, and manufacturing engineers, plus programming, product development, prototype, and producibility groups. Whether you have weight, heat, strength, assembly, or cost issues, our engineering team will develop multiple concepts that exceed your expectations. Many times, these concepts are co-engineered through virtual experiments and web-based interfaces. Our manufacturing engineering team has decades of experience in design for manufacturing, developing a wide range of mixed technology concepts. These solutions can contain precision metallic parts, vacuum furnace brazing, formed sheet metal, plastic components, laser welding, various plating options, complex assemblies, and more. The Domaille Engineering manufacturing team turns concepts into products. In our 38,000 square foot facility, we have multi-axis milling, turning centers, EDM, surface, cylindrical, and jig grinding capabilities. We also have milling capabilities up to 10 feet in length. Plus, our facility includes separate mechanical and electrical assembly areas. Domaille Engineering is AS 9100 and ISO 9001 certified. Our quality system includes SPC charting, electronic verification of models, and CMM data to measure and record compliance to your specifications. Domaille's quality team routinely submits AS 9102 first article reports, complete material certification packages, and CFCs. Our ERP and supply chain management systems synchronize the manufacturing process. We can address everything from encrypting and vaulting customer electronic data to flowing contractual obligations such as ITAR and DFAR throughout our supply chain. A key group behind the scenes is our product development group. Their primary focus is to develop new processes in support of our customers' program requirements. One such process is friction stir welding, which is typically used to join one or more pieces of material for a variety of applications. Domaille Engineering provides a customer-driven project management system that gives you personalized service. Our product manufacturers offer a primary point of contact from the proposal phase through final delivery. This eliminates project handoffs, saving you time and money. Another key part of our team is our sales representatives. These professionals provide a local resource to help you with issues or concerns. They have a vested and genuine interest in helping provide effective solutions with frequent face-to-face contact with customer engineering teams. Whether your organization needs engineering solutions or just a highly competent supplier for built-to-print applications, we encourage you to make Domaille Engineering your premier contract manufacturing partner.